Friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, how are you? I hope you all would be very good. So let's begin this video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some tips and technique who are beginner and they want to speak English. So first, step what should be and what they should do for speaking English. So my dear friend, if you want to speak English, if you have desire to speak English, so firstly you should learn tenses. Yes, you heard it right, you should learn tenses because tenses play 80 and 90% role in speaking. Without it you can't speak right, as well as you can't frame sentences without tenses, and you cannot understand anyone. You cannot understand, you neither you can understand nor you can speak in a right way, and you cannot frame sentences correctly. So you must learn tenses first, and vocabulary, tenses, vocabulary, as well as you should listen. Yes, if you are beginner and you have desire to speak English, you want to speak English, so first start learning tenses. Here one question will raise in in your mind. Yes, so many learner that I know tenses, all structure I know, I can make sentences. So my dear friend, you can make sentences. I also knew when I started, but how I knew? I could, make sentences on the page and papers, not in my mind. But you know, I had to speak English. So similarly, you have to speak English. You want to speak English, so you have to translate here. Okay, then you will speak. You will speak fastly, not if you not make translate on page and papers. No, if you know structure, it's good. Try to practice. Try to do practice. How you can do practice? You can take translation book, and there you will get a lot of like translation, Hindi translation. See them and start you know translating in English. Yeah, on the YouTube you can get rapid fire. So those video you can watch, and you can do practice. If you know tenses structures, only you need to do practice. You can do practice by yourself, while taking book of like grammars, and there you will get lot of sentences. You have to practice with yourself. And otherwise you can go to YouTube, and there you will get rapid fire video. There you have to just uh, practice. The teacher will ask, they have uploaded such video, so you have to listen and reply. So in this way you have to practice. But if you don't know tenses, so firstly you need to learn tenses if you want to speak English, because it is plays 80-90% role in speaking. Without it you can't speak, you can't frame sentences right. So you can't deny it. You have to learn it. And you have to learn vocabulary, tenses, and listen conversation video. So three things you have to do, and in this way you have to start your speaking journey. Yeah, you have to embark your speaking journey in this way. You have to start. Firstly you have to work on tenses and vocabulary, day-to-day life vocabulary, and listening. Which kinds of video you have to listen? You have to listen conversation type of video. So in this way you have to embark your journey for speaking English. Yeah, if you don't know tenses, So go and learn the structure and all. If you know, then you need to practice only. How you can practice? You can take the book and see the Hindi translation and you can practice. Yeah, you can think like that. Okay, मैं रोज़ स्कूल जाता हूँ, आई गो टू स्कूल. मैं रोज़ उसे देखता हूँ, आई सी आई सी हर एवरी डे. इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रैक्टिस. Okay. And first day, present, past. In this way, one by one, bit by bit, you have to practice. And after some days, you will see the result. You will see see yourself like occupied in those practice, and those things will start um, generating in your mind, in your in your speaking, and you will start speaking in this way. So if you are beginner, then use this technique, and in this way start your and embark your English speaking journey. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.